is October 25th, and as you can see, we got our first snow the other night, and it was a nice snow, cute, you know, first snow of the season, late October, it's all right. And then Friday night, we got dumped on. Like over a foot of snow in town and around. So we're gonna go out today. I got the Mavic charging up, and we're gonna see if we can't get some good drone footage of the nice snow that just came down. So let's get going. Icy. Okay, not sure how the audio will sound. Don't have a mic. So, I think this is gonna be a YouTube video. I think so. I've been doing photography for about 3 years, just over 3 years now, and really enjoyed it. And for the longest time, you know, just like a lot of all you guys, you know, I sit there and scroll and consume and consume and consume and watch YouTube videos, get inspired by YouTube videos, other creators, what they're doing out there. And, you know, I've always thought, oh, one day I'll go make YouTube videos. Like, I'll actually create like a video or something like that. And it seems like at every point, either I just haven't put in the effort, or I've always made a way to find an excuse. So yeah, I've always found a way to make an excuse, or just haven't done it. And kind of that trope of like saying, oh, well, it's not the perfect time, or like, oh, I don't have this piece of gear, or when I'm there, that's when I'll make a video, or when I go do that trip, I'll make a video for that one, but I won't start now, you know, I'll wait for this perfect timing. And just come to realize that waiting for that time doesn't make sense. Like, I have a camera, I've got a tripod, I've got a drone, I've got a computer with iMovie, you know, free editing software. Like, I have all the things that I need to get started. And so really the only thing holding me back is just my own excuses or my own laziness of not making it happen. And so it is something I really want to start doing. And I think today's like the perfect time to just try one of those out, you know? So why I want to make videos or get into creating just beyond taking pictures and photos is a couple reasons. One, I want to do it for purpose of documenting this time in my life and memories and experiences and good times or bad times. Just being able to have a piece of content that I know that I made, I documented, I put together, and something to look back on and remember certain times in life. Because it's one thing I'm finding as I'm almost 2 years out of school now, is just like we don't really have those milestones of like birthdays or different grades or starting high school versus college. Like, now you're kind of just out in the real world and you're just working, and you just work and you become Squidward basically. And it's really easy to just let time pass really fast, and photos have been a great way to document different things for me thus far. And I think videos are just going to really be an extension of that going forward. And so it's something that I'm excited to document, and then I'm also excited to learn the craft of making videos. So this place was okay, but I wanted to get closer up to an actual like forest or more into the mountains to really get some more cinematic footage. So I went to a place on the other side of town next. But first, gotta get some snacks. So we came up to a cool spot just outside of town. So deep, like kind of in the woods, with all the snow on the trees, looks really nice. I think this is a good spot to send the drone up. So. Focused. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video. Record snowfall in October here in Montana for this weekend. We had over 13 inches. We broke some record lows overnight last night, and it's gonna get cold again tonight. So crazy winters here. So yeah, I think we're gonna leave it there for this one, and hopefully see you guys soon. Thanks.